In a time of social distancing, extreme caution and self-isolation, telemedicine has seen a rapid uptake across the board. Because of the developments in communication and computer technology that the past 20 years have brought us, the implementation of telemedicine systems is finally feasible and necessary. Here's how you can heal from a distance through telemedicine. Telemedicine is the use of telecommunication technology and information technologies to provide remote clinical services to patients. Physicians and doctors can transmit digital images, have video call consultations on secure video and audio connections, and give remote medical diagnoses. In the day and age we live in, it is no longer necessary to schedule an in-person visit with a physician to receive treatment. In our current day and age, it's a known fact that most people have access to basic telecommunication devices, whether that be a mobile phone or a computer. With this improved accessibility, individuals in areas with limited access to physicians and doctors are able to receive the help that they need without being forced to travel for it. As a whole, telemedicine benefits both the providers and the patients involved. As a healthcare provider, you are able to provide medical help far more efficiently through the use of telemedicine. Through telemedicine, you immediately have access to electronic medical records, AI diagnosis, and medical streaming devices, which can better assist you as the provider in both diagnosis and treatment. Furthermore, providers also benefit from an average increase in revenue. By utilizing telemedicine, physicians can see more patients without having the need to hire more staff or increase office space. As well as benefiting the providers of telemedicine, patients also benefit greatly from an online practice. Because of telemedicine, patients who previously had limited access to healthcare now have the ability to see a physician without leaving their home, while also limiting the spread of disease, as individuals with contagious diseases no longer have to expose themselves to others in crowded waiting rooms. Although telemedicine has many benefits, there are downsides to every new technology. For one, several physicians and patients find it difficult to adapt to telemedicine, especially in older adults. As well as adapting to a new world, the technology is also rather expensive. Implementing an entirely new technology requires training and staff members who know how to fix things if it breaks. While telemedicine makes the accessibility to healthcare significantly easier and lowers the bar of entry for rural and senior citizens to access adequate healthcare, there are difficulties in implementing it. However, there are difficulties in all new technologies, and the kinks can only be worked out through the use of the product. While there are difficulties in implementing telemedicine, the pros far outweigh the cons. If you're ready to take the plunge and start investigating whether a telemedicine practice is for you, head over to store.theartofservice.com/telemedicine toolkit, where we can help unleash your and your business's full potential.